Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Ladder to Success. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest tips for financial freedom. Now, let's get started. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a budget that actually works. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your financial plan, these steps will set you up for success. First things first, you need to know where your money is going. Grab a pen and paper or fire up that spreadsheet and list all your monthly income sources. This includes your salary, any side hustles, and other forms of income. Got it? Great. Next, it's time to track your expenses. Break them down into categories: housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and so on. Make sure to include everything, even those small impulse buys. This step is crucial for understanding your spending habits. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to set some goals. Think about what you want to achieve. Do you want to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or maybe build an emergency fund? Whatever it is, write it down. Now, let's create the budget. Start by subtracting your total expenses from your total income. If you have money left over, awesome. Allocate it towards your goals. If you're in the red, no worries. Check where you can cut back. Do you really need that daily latte or those multiple streaming subscriptions? A great tip is to use the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's a simple way to keep your spending in check and make sure you're saving too. Don't forget to review your budget regularly. Life changes, and so will your finances. Adjust as needed, but stay committed to your financial goals. It's all about consistency and making small, smart choices. And that's it. Creating a budget that works isn't complicated. It just takes a bit of time and discipline. Remember, every step you take is a step closer to financial freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Ladder to Success, and drop a comment below about your budgeting tips or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep climbing that ladder to success.